With the QuickBooks ProAdvisor Program, growing your firm just got more rewarding. The new QuickBooks ProAdvisor Program is designed to support your practice's transition to the cloud. By taking productive steps like getting trained and using QuickBooks Online with your clients, your achievements are now acknowledged and rewarded along the way. So how does it work? Firstly, you can join free. Membership to the ProAdvisor program comes automatically with signing up to QuickBooks Online Accountant. You can join at our website, intuit.com.au. You can also grow your status, complete the certification training and exams, and add new clients to QuickBooks to rise through the ProAdvisor ranks. Next, get listed. Add your profile on the QuickBooks Find a ProAdvisor directory and be connected with new clients. And be rewarded. Enjoy rewards like funding for marketing activities, access to marketing tools, and QuickBooks branded goodies along the way. See how the QuickBooks ProAdvisor program can reward you. Head to intuit.com.au, speak with your account manager, or call the team on 1800 618 521.